$150 for a backdrop? Hey guys, Casey Photography here, and I have a question for you. Have you ever been shopping for a backdrop and realized that they can price from hundreds of dollars? No? Just me? Okay, then this video is not for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this backdrop behind me for less than $5. Okay, so here's what you need. First, you're going to need one of those party tablecloths that you can get at Walmart for like 97 cents or like Dollar Tree for $1. I'll put a little image to it right here. And you're going to want to pick whatever color you want for your background. Obviously, I picked a light pink for mine. Okay, second thing you're going to need is some paint. You're going to want to pick a color a couple shades darker or lighter than the color you chose for your tablecloth. Third thing you're going to need is a sponge. Yes, just a plain old ordinary sponge. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how I did it. See you guys later.